How to manage and edit email notification on Zoom PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage email notifications on Zoom PC easily and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Zoom and log into your account. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top here and click on my account option. And after you click on it, now go to the settings right here, click on this settings option, and you will be able now to click on email notification. And here you go. Now right here you can manage your email notification easily. You can turn off or turn on wherever you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.